heroes? Hey, I want to welcome you to my VA Mortgage Concierge page. I've centered this page as well as my mortgage practice around the idea of being a resource to my veterans. The VA Home Loan Program is an incredibly valuable opportunity that the VA presents to veterans and active duty servicemen and women. But it's very important that you understand that not only do you need to be working with a specialist or an expert in the field, but understand this: purchasing a home is the largest financial decision of your life, and who you place that responsibility into the hands of is very important. I want you to come on in. I'm going to share with you the ins and the outs of the VA approval process, as well as some of the top questions that I have that my veterans and my active duty servicemen and women ask me, and how I navigate you through those questions and those processes. Come on in, and I look forward to being a resource for you and serving you, okay? Take care. All right, so my name is Dan Keller. I am a mortgage advisor at New American Funding, and as I mentioned before, I've spent the better part of my career mastering the VA mortgage approval process and then building a team of experts to cater to both you and your real estate professional. So I'm really, really excited that you're watching this video, because that means you're on my VA mortgage application page, and right below this video, you're gonna see two steps. One is our secure mortgage application. Take about 3 or 4 minutes, fill out that form. That's where I get the correct spelling of your name, your social security number, your date of birth. This is crucial for us ordering documents from the VA. And so take some time to fill out that form. Once you hit the submit button, we're gonna get notified. Within 24 hours, my production assistant, Jason Hoskins, will reach out to you simply to introduce himself and to lend a hand in helping you gather your financial documents, which brings me to step 2. That's my VA mortgage planning guide. This has taken me about 5 to 6 years to produce. I've done so through funding hundreds of VA home loans, but more specifically, being a part of a mastermind group of some of the top VA mortgage loan officers in the country, and putting together this resource guide for you to help you better understand the process. One of the pages is the top 10 questions that veterans have asked me over the years, and the answers to those questions. I can guarantee you each one of those questions will come up throughout the next few days or the VA home loan approval process. So pay close attention to that form. The other form, which I really want you to pay close attention to, is my do's and don'ts form. There are some things that I absolutely do not want you doing throughout the mortgage approval process. So pay close attention to that form. And then lastly, you're gonna see the items needed checklist page. Those are some of the items that we're going to need to get from you, like your DD-214, your tax returns, your W-2s, if you're active duty, your LES stocks. So pay close attention to those items, gather those items and get those into us as soon as possible so that Jason and I can review, and then we'll hand off to the next phase. We'll hand off our information that we've gathered and we've put together to Bree Seidner, who is my production manager. During that process, Jason Hoskins is going to reach out to you and schedule a mortgage planning meeting with me. This is where we go over our findings, we go over the next steps. We also go over how to tailor this mortgage into your short-term and long-term financial goals. I've said this before. The VA home loan is an incredible tool to helping you build wealth, and I love seeing my veterans leveraging VA home loans to do so. Hey, we look forward to being a resource to you. We look forward to serving you. I want you to understand that you can reach out to us anytime via email, phone, or my cell phone. You can text me as well, and cannot wait for the opportunity to meet you in real life, okay? Thank you for your service, and I look forward to talking with you soon, okay? Take care.